Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from the SCS Tools group. In this video, we'll be taking a look at SCS MobileTools SCSiComm feature. How to actually use SCSiComm within the MobileTools application with your GEM 5000. So the first thing you're going to need to do is actually pair your mobile device to your GEM 5000. I'm not going to cover it in this video. You can check in the LandTech's documentation for the instrument to actually walk you through that process. Pretty straightforward. If you have any issues with it, feel free to contact support and we will help you as well. It's the same as if you would be pairing to like your vehicle or to any other device that uses Bluetooth. The GEM actually walks you right directly through that. But once you have everything paired, you'll go ahead and log into the SCS MobileTools application. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and select the SCSiComm function here. And once we go ahead and select that, you'll see a list of the GEMs that you have paired already with your mobile device. So where it's grayed out here, it's actually not connected to it currently. So we're going to go ahead and connect to it so we can start our monitoring event. And then you'll get a message once it's been selected saying that the device has been paired successfully. So once we've connected to the instrument, you'll actually see the status says connected. We have our serial number and all of that there. We have a couple different options here. There's the monitoring event. And then underneath of that is actually your configurations for your instrument itself. Currently the options are to clear readings, so if you want to clear any readings that are in your instrument off of the instrument, you can go ahead and select that. Send points, so if you got to send your routes files and all of that type of stuff to the instrument, you can do that from there, and then clear points. So we're going to start completely from scratch, so what I want to do is just make sure that there's nothing on the instrument currently. So I am going to select the clear readings first. Once I do that, it says there's no readings available, so we're good to go. We can go ahead. We have no old data in there. We can go ahead and prepare for our monitoring event. I'll go ahead and select OK. And again, I'm not sure what project is actually in this GEM, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Clear Points, just to be sure. This is just asking you if you're sure that you do want to clear all of that information off of the instrument. I'll go ahead and click Continue. And we got a message that successfully cleared the points ID. So we'll go ahead and click OK. Now what we're going to need to do here is we're going to pull the latest version of that routes file off of eTools. So whatever we have stored in eTools, we can go ahead and send that ID list into the instrument. So down at the bottom you'll see where it says SCS eTools and it says Get Points. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Once we select that, we'll see a list of sites that we actually have access to, which projects we have access to within SCS eTools. And for this demonstration, I am going to pick the very last one there for the eTools landfill. And let's confirm that you want to download the ID list for the selected site from eTools. We're going to go ahead and select OK and continue. Once we do that, it says downloading points ID succeeded. We still have not sent anything to the GEM at all. Everything is stored locally on the phone here. But I'm going to go ahead and take it from the phone, my mobile device, and send it into the instrument now. So we're going to go ahead and select OK. Now once we did that, we're going to go ahead and select there in the center where it says Instrument to send points. So this will actually send that points that we just downloaded from eTools, all of our ID lists, into the GEM itself. So go ahead and select Send Points. The next screen will actually pop up to all of the ones that we have downloaded previously, so all the ones that's actually stored on my mobile device currently. And I pulled a couple of these earlier. We have the eTools landfill as well as the demo landfill. This is in the event that for whatever reason, like you don't have a good cell reception. This information is stored onto your card or onto your phone, to where you can send that to the GEM without having to re-download all of that. So every time you send it, you can send an old version and all of that into the instrument as well. So I want to select the top one here, which is the latest and greatest that we just downloaded. And again, we'll just get a confirmation and we're sure that this is what we want to do. We'll go ahead and click Continue. Now that information now is being sent to the GEM. Once it has actually transferred and everything successfully, we'll go ahead and we will receive a confirmation message here on the mobile device. Here we go. We said successfully sent the point IDs. So now all of the IDs are on the GEM. We can go through our ID list and go through and prepare for our readings. We'll go ahead and select OK. So at this point, we're ready to go ahead and calibrate the GEM and all of that fun stuff. So we can go ahead and begin the monitoring event. For the sake of the demonstration, we'll say we've already went ahead and calibrated the instrument. We're ready to get out and start taking our readings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select under the monitoring event, I'm going to select Start. This will prompt us for the weather information, weather stamping information. Put my initial, ambient temperature, and then we'll go ahead and select the one direction here. Once I do that, I'll click update, and that just ensures that all that information gets stamped in with it. You'll notice on this screen then it'll actually show here countdown where it says monitoring in progress. That'll be the next time that it'll actually sync of what you have stored on your actual instrument will be pushed into eTools to be stored on there. So every 5 minutes it'll take whatever's off your instrument, we'll send it to your mobile device, which will then upload that to eTools, assuming you have an active cell connection or a Wi-Fi connection. If you are out, you can continue your monitoring, and if you are out of like the range of the cell phone tower or whatever, you don't have a really good signal, once you get back into range, it'll actually allow you to pull that off of the gym and automatically send that once your signal comes back in. So we can be out there, go ahead and do our monitoring and everything now, and every 5 minutes, whatever we've done within the previous 5 minutes will be uploaded into eTools. All of that information will be available the same as any other information that you've uploaded into the application. But again, you don't have to actively connect that to your computer at the end of the day. If you do have a mobile device that does not have a cell phone connection, you can still send the IDs to the instrument, go out, perform your work, come back, hook everything else back up to the mobile device again, and you can upload at the end of that event. Basically, all you need to do is go back in at the very end there and then hit stop. So at this point, we'll go ahead and we can hit stop. And just let you know it's being stopped, and it's going to pull everything off of the instrument and upload the readings into eTools. So we'll go ahead and select OK. Continue. Now at this point, all of that information of whatever readings we just took will be uploaded into eTools. If you have any questions about this video or any video that we have made in the past, or if you just have general support questions, you can email us at support@SCSiTools.com. Our phone number is 866-612-6820, and our hours of operation is 8 o'clock Eastern Time to 5 o'clock Pacific, Monday through Friday. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.